In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your domain settings with Hostinger. Whether you're setting up a new website, modifying existing configurations, or verifying services, managing DNS settings is a fundamental task. Let's dive right into it to ensure you can master these straightforward steps. First, you'll need to start by logging into your Hostinger account. So go ahead, navigate to the Hostinger login page in your web browser. Here, enter your email address and password, then click on the login button. This will grant you access to your Hostinger dashboard where all the magic happens. Once you're logged in, the next step is to click on the Domains section located on the main menu. This will direct you to the page where all your registered domains are listed. It's an essential hub for managing your domains effectively. Now proceed by clicking on Domain Portfolio. This area provides you with an overview of all your domains, giving you quick access to various management features. From there, look for the domain you wish to modify and click on Manage. This option will allow you to access detailed settings and configurations related to that specific domain. Next, locate and select DNS name servers from the available management options. This section is where you'll manage your domain's DNS records, a crucial aspect of configuring your domain to connect with various services. In the DNS settings, you will see a drop-down menu labeled Type. Click on this drop-down to reveal various types of DNS records you can manage. Here you'll want to choose TXT, which stands for text record. TXT records are primarily used to hold domain-related data such as verification codes necessary for various online services. Once you've selected the TXT type, it's time to input the specific details for the text record you wish to create. You'll need to add a name, a text value, and a TTL value. The name and text value are specific to your needs or the service you're configuring. TTL, or time to live, is a preference defining how long the DNS information is cached. And setting this value is based on how frequently you expect your entries to change. After filling in the necessary information, click on Add Record. This action will save your new TXT record to the domain, and you should see a confirmation message indicating that the TXT record has been successfully added. And that's all there is to it. Your TXT record should now be active and visible in your domain's DNS settings. This process is an essential skill in managing domain settings and can be very helpful for tasks such as service verification or domain authentication. Thank you for following along, and happy hosting with Hostinger.